take a minute to learn about Zoom updates. Zoom releases updates frequently. Some are minor enhancements and minor bug fixes, while some are more important updates. Important updates may download automatically or prompt you to download. The optional updates are not mandatory, but because we use Zoom so much in our classrooms as well as with staff and parents, it's a really good idea to update regularly. For example, this February 1st, 2021 version update included some enhancements to the alternative host feature, which is something we use often during staff meetings where several people take turns presenting. Make sure to check the description box below this video where I've posted the links that I'll be mentioning in this video. There are a couple of ways to check for updates. On your dock, click on your Zoom icon. If you don't have it there, check your applications folder. That'll open up this little pop-up box. Click on your profile picture and then check for updates. That will either give you this message that you are up to date, or Zoom will download and install the available update. Alternatively, you can click on the zoom.us link in the very upper left corner. It's just off my recording screen, but I'm going to click on it and you get this little drop-down menu. You can check for updates from this location as well. If you just want to see which version of Zoom you have, click on About Zoom. That will give you a little pop-up window with your version information. You can click follow right here to follow this page where you can keep up and learn about recent and upcoming updates. If you want to make sure Zoom is updated on all your various devices, you might want to check out this page. Updating Zoom regularly will give you access to all the latest features and provide a better Zoom experience.